If you're familiar with Revolut, you probably know about their premium plans that offer different levels of perks. Revolut recently launched its most exclusive tier, the Revolut Ultra, replacing the Metal plan as the top tier option. At a whopping £45 per month, this is by far the most expensive option for Revolut users. But the question is it worth it? Let's break down the perks and benefits of the Ultra card and see who this plan is really designed for. The first thing you notice with Revolut Ultra is the price £45 or €45 per month. This cost is significantly higher compared to the Metal plan, which only costs around £15 monthly. For those looking for a luxury online banking experience, Ultra offers exclusive perks aimed at high-end spenders and frequent travelers. These perks include cashback on spending, premium subscriptions, travel insurance, and more. When it comes to cashback, Revolut Ultra gives you up to 1.0% on purchases made outside of Europe, while within Europe and the UK, it's only 0.1%. While this cashback might sound exciting, the reality is that it only becomes interesting if you are spending large amounts of money, at least £11,000 per month in Europe, to make a difference. For those spending less, this perk might not be particularly appealing. One of the standout features of Revolut Ultra is the comprehensive travel benefits. With Ultra, you get unlimited access to over 1,400 airport lounges worldwide, which alone could cost hundreds of pounds annually if you travel frequently. The travel insurance covers flight cancellations, medical emergencies, lost baggage, and even winter sports. If you're someone who is constantly on the move, these benefits can easily justify the monthly fee. There's also a feature called Revolut Stays, where you get up to 10% cashback on hotel bookings made through Revolut's platform. Beyond travel perks, Revolut Ultra provides you with premium digital subscriptions, including access to Financial Times Premium, NordVPN, and even WeWork desk spaces, which could cost you hundreds of pounds separately. For remote workers, expats, or digital nomads, this alone can justify much of the plan's cost. So, is Revolut Ultra worth the high monthly fee? It depends. If you're a frequent traveler, high spender, or someone who will make use of the premium subscriptions, lounge access, and travel insurance, this plan can offer substantial value. However, if your monthly spending is more modest and you don't need all the travel perks, the Metal plan, which costs much less, might be more suitable. In the end, Revolut Ultra is tailored for a very specific audience, those who live a global lifestyle, are always on the go, and spend a lot of money internationally. For others, the steep monthly price may not justify the perks, and the Metal plan could be a more practical choice. However, for the right person, Ultra offers unparalleled benefits that could make managing your finances and travel a breeze. Alright, so I believe that's pretty much for this video. If you find it helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. And I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks,